it's Amazing Arabella, and today I'm going to be showing you all FabLab's brand new Hair Flair Deluxe kit, which I have right here. And with this kit I'm going to be creating an awesome look which I know you're all gonna love so much. So as you can all see, I've opened up the box and inside we have 9 hair light colours which come in 3 different palettes. We also have 1 hair chalk applicator, 2 hair bun tools, 2 hair braiding tools, 2 hairdresser clips, 4 hair bands, 1 pair of protective gloves and 1 8-page instruction manual. So while you're using your Hair Flair Deluxe kit, you can slot your smartphone in there, pop a FabLab video on, watch a tutorial on how to use their Hair Flair Deluxe kit, and it makes everything so much easier. So it's time to create my look, and this is the look I'm going to be creating. It's going to be so much fun, guys.
First thing I'm going to do is split my hair directly down the middle so I have a middle parting. This will make everything so much easier, so I recommend you guys do this if you want to try doing this look. And I then put one side of my hair away using my hairdresser clip. So I just roll it up and clip it on, simple as that. You're then going to create a braid which starts from the bottom of your head and goes to the middle. After you've done your braid, take a small section of your hair from the front and leave it out, and then put your hair up. You're then going to use the hair bun tool to make a bun at the top of your head. So all you have to do is tie it up and tuck it in, and do the same on the other side. So once I've done that, I'm going to get my hair light colours ready. I've chosen blue, purple and pink. I've got my hair chalk applicator and my protective gloves. At the back of the hair light colours you can see there are 3 dots, and these dots make it so much easier to get the hair chalk out. Once you've popped it out, you can then insert it into your hair chalk applicator. Now you've done that, get the small pieces of hair you left out at the front of your head and split them into 2 pieces. Clip the other piece back so it doesn't get in the way, and you can start applying your hair chalk to one side. Then get your other colour hair chalk and apply it to the piece that you put away, and you should have 2 colours on one side, and then do the exact same on both sides. To make it more colourful, I decided to pull out a few strands from my bun and add some colour onto that. This was super easy, so no need to stress, and I used my third colour purple for this one.
And here's the final look. What do you all think? I think this FabLab kit is so awesome, guys. I love the colours, they're super fun and cool, and I definitely look trendy. But if you haven't already seen, I've done another video with FabLab for their nail art deluxe kit, so don't forget to check that out after you've watched this video. And guys, I've had so much fun making this video for you. I really hope you enjoyed it, but it's time for me to go try out some other colours, so I'll see you guys later. Bye!